What if I told you there are 5 SUVs out there that mechanics absolutely hate to see pull into the shop? Not because they are nightmares to fix, but because they never need fixing. While your neighbors are rolling the dice on their 3rd transmission replacement, these 5 machines just keep going and going and going like they have something to prove. We are talking about 300,000 miles like it is nothing. Bulletproof engines that laugh at age.
Resale values that refuse to drop. These vehicles were built by engineers who clearly had a personal vendetta against tow trucks. Forget planned obsolescence. Today, I am counting down 5 SUVs that you will buy once and your grandkids will probably inherit. But stick around until number 1, because that final SUV is going to blow your mind. It is a vehicle that practically refuses to die, no matter what you throw at it. This is the one that sets the bar for every other reliable SUV on the road. Let us get into it. Number 5. Kia Sportage. The Kia Sportage depreciates 46.1% over 5 years, according to iSeeCars, sitting just above the midsize SUV segment average. A 2026 Sportage SX Prestige starts at $41,500 and will be worth just $14,220 after 5 years, representing a loss of $18,890. The RAV4 retains 21 percentage points more value over the same period. So why is it on this list if its value retention is below average? Because today's Sportage is a completely different vehicle from the one that frustrated owners a decade ago. The Gamma engine complaints triggered multiple warranty extension campaigns in 2019, but those problems struck the 2011 to 2016 Sportage, not the current generation. Today's model runs a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine from an entirely new powertrain family, carries an NHTSA 5-star safety rating and IIHS Top Safety Plus award,